You already know what it is, guys. Then I'm just gonna be kind of doing a Q&A, my character and stuff, what I have on. This is me, basically, what I look like in real life. Let me just get this. This is always in my way, I swear. Just put that right. I don't know where to put this. Just put it right here, I guess. Okay, this is my character now. Let's go ahead and go to do some games, I made a new account, that's why I don't have any friends right now. I would do lifting simulator, but let's go ahead and do the elevator. I'm gonna do a few rounds of elevator and I'll end it in the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, y'all know. And turn on notifications for whenever a new video comes out. Basically everything. Let me just turn this down. I don't want to ear rape y'all. Okay. Go ahead. This is the elevator. This is personally tacos. Sky tacos. No need to ask why. Mouth and close your eyes. Tacos out in the sky. Rain and tacos. Guys, I got some dances. There's free dances. They're adding dances to Roblox now. Wait, there's always been dances, so. I got some dances, you know how to point. No. You just shrug your shoulders. And this guy, I don't like this guy. Kind of mean to me sometimes. It's my day off. Man, screwed you. Okay, it's raining burritos. Yes, I'm still but bro, that's what I say when I'm playing Fortnite. It's my day off, bro. I just got off of school, bro. You're not positioned to meet with me. In case you were running, yes, I am still a potato. If y'all think I'm weird because I'm playing Roblox instead of Fortnite, I don't like y'all. Yes, I'm still a potato. Bro, I fell. Oh no! Oh no, it's gonna crash. Ah! GG's, bro, GG's. I can make it out of here. Y'all let me know if I should change my YouTube name to AO Grizzly. Or just Grizzly. It's fine. Grizzly 5. I don't know. Y'all might make sure y'all comment or something that starts with Grizz or ends with Grizz. And I'll choose a comment. And whenever you comment, also make sure y'all use y'all's epic username and I might add y'all. Da da da. Bro, this is my song. This is my jam. Dang, straight out of the potato. And if I get at least 3 likes on this video, I'll do a video on how to what's it called? I'll do a video on how to get free stuff on Roblox or whatever. This is mostly a Q&A video because I'm still trying to start off my YouTube channel. You know, I have not made a lot of videos yet. But anyways, thanks for 7 subscribers, by the way. Oh, no, I know that kid. Y'all watch out. Everybody get up right here. No, get right here, guys. Trust me. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, no. Jump. Jump. Oh, God, I think I'm fine. If this video gets at least 10 likes, I'll get a I'll do a Minecraft Q&A. How about that? Yeah, comment down below if y'all like me doing these Q&As. Just let me know if I'm, funny. Hi. Oh, I know this. Bro, I was so lucky. I've done this before, so I know how to do it. Dang, I don't know why, but y'all know whenever y'all go to the store and you come back and your booty all sweaty. What's happening to me right now? I'm not even on. No cap. Bro, let me know if I should do like a certain kind of video with like music in the background and stuff. Why they got Mario music playing? Like Bad Cow. Am I playing with some bots right now? Yo, I know this kid. I actually know this kid. Oh no! No! I'm a drown. GG's, bro. GG's, bro. Yo, what y'all even doing? Don't even come over. Run, guys, run! Oh my god, I don't know. No! Help me! Bro, I can't cool down. Oh, GG's, bro. Okay, if I die one more time, I have to end the video on anything. If I die one more time or on anything, no, okay. If I die one more time on anything, I have to end the video. I need to start editing my video. She said, my taco. Okay, hopefully I don't die one more time. Okay, please be an easy one so I don't have to die. I really don't want to die, guys, you know? You what up, bro? I think we could relate to each other. Okay, you telling me this boy has... Get up off of me, ain't nobody care about you. Ah, no, don't say I died. Don't. Oh, wait, no, this is Undertale's, right? There's no possible way in heaven I died. Oh, I think I did die. You saw that woman next to me? No, I'm fine, okay, y'all are lucky. Bro, if this video gets 20 likes, I'll do a video of me in school. I'll bring my phone to the bus and I'll take it out and I'll be like, well, y'all got 20 likes on the video. Just me on the bus on the way home. Ha. Oh wait, move! This kid's gonna throw stuff at us and we gotta jump over him. No, there's too many kids up in here. We're gonna die fast. Oh wait, no, he's just gonna come up and... Oh! Move! What is he swinging at? That aim, though. That aim. Uh-oh, he's in. He's in, though. Oh, wait, yeah, he's not gonna kill us. We're fine. Y'all some lucky mugs. If this video gets 5 likes, I'll do a video with some friends. If this video gets 5 likes, I'll do an ASMR. Actually, I already done the ASMR. I should upload it. The heck is this? Come on, let's be. I want something, chat. Well, ha. Come on. Okay. Y'all wanna hear me sing a song? I'ma take my horse through the damn wall. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take. What does this do? I'm gonna take. Ah! Wait, it don't even do anything. I'm fine. Oh no, it does do. Well, guys, as promised, I'm gonna have to end this video on a short note. Y'all see me ending the video and stuff. I'm sorry, guys. But GG's.